In this video, I'll show you how to add a vignette effect to your videos using CapCut on your PC. Start by importing your video and adding it to the timeline. Click on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Next, navigate to the Adjustment menu and scroll all the way down until you find the vignette setting. Move the playhead to the exact position where you want the vignette effect to start, then add a vignette keyframe to mark this point. Now, move the playhead forward to where you want the effect to fully transition. To customize the vignette, use the Adjustment slider. Sliding the pointer to the left creates a white border effect, while sliding it to the right transitions the vignette to a black border. Preview the changes to ensure the effect matches your creative vision. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Have a great day.